Sanibona bafethu uvani lo. So njengoba nonke uInnocent Mayela nje obeseshile ku-Orlando Pirates ushiye isikhala esikhulu kakhulu. Yabo isikhala sani na? Isikhala sakapteni. Yabo abantu abaningi bayibuza la uthi okay, njengoba kuhamba uInnocent Mayela ubani ozoba ukapteni? Ubani ozobhala isikhala sakhe? Yabo bakhona ke abadlali abajwayele ukuba ukapteni uInnocent Mayela mengadlali. Yabona nje throughout le season lo uInnocent Mayela uthola ama games amancane. Yabo ibhande lika captain beloko elishintsha shintshana. Eqaleni kwesizini umuntu obeyukapteni for Orlando Pirates bekubani? BekuOlisanda. Uyena obephatha ibhande lika captain. Yabo walimala uOlisanda kwaba ubani captain? Ibhande laselithathwa ubani? Lathathwa layiswa kuThabiso Sesane. Umfana omncane walibamba ibhande lika captain. Yabo wakwazi ukudlala eligqokile ibhande. Ngenye inkathi futhi bekubuye kuba uSibisi ukapteni. Yabo aliphatha uSibisi ibhande akwazi ukudlala lapha. So umbuzo wami la kwase kubuye noXoku. uXoki naye ubuya kubukapteni weOrlando Pirates. Yabona nje futhi throughout last season uXoku bekuyena umuntu obeligqoka kakhulu ibhande la captain uMayela ubengadlali. Yabona nadi season ubuyile uXoki sambona eligqoka ibhande lika captain. So umbuzo ngempela umile mabhakaniya. Umile kulabadlali esinabo kuOrlando Pirates. Ubani mdlali ozoba ukapteni emva kokushiya kwaMayela, because uMayela even though ubewukapteni ubengayitholi game time. Yebo, so these players were opted to be the captains. So now these players kumele kukhishwe oyedwa ozoba yi-official captain ye-Orlando Pirates. The official captain ye-Orlando Pirates beku-Innocent Mayela. Yabo, even though bengadlali but ke ubewaqukula ama-trophies awini Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates miyidlala mekhona i-trophy ekumele iqukule ebequkula uInnocent Mayela. So ngokwakho ubani ongabukapteni? Yabo ubani ngempela? Because mase ngiqale kuThabiso Sesane. Thabiso Sesane bafethu, for me I don't think the boy ngizothini, yes umjida ngabe ukapteni. Yabo angabe ukapteni but I don't think isona sikhathi right now, because masubheka abantu abaku-competition nabo. Abantu abaku-competition nabo they are above his level in terms of being a leader. Yabo in terms of being a leader they are above him. Indlela abalidana ngakhona eground, indlela abacommanda ngakhona irespect, even indlela abayiphatha ngakhona towards abo ref. Yabo bahlonipha towards abo ref, bayakwazi uaddress situation. Ithi midliwa nje bayakwazi ukukhuluma no ref, uref athatha ama decisions are right. So for me uThabiso Sesane, I'm not saying umjida ngiyazi abo captain. I see him being a future captain ye-Orlando Pirates. Yabo for me uThabiso Sesane. Yabo ngiyamrespecta kakhulu umjida but right now based on labadlali laba, yabo based on labadlali laba engenzeka aba captain, I don't see him being ukapteni. But ke anything can happen bafethu. Akumina othatha inqumo. Yabo imanagement ezothatha isinqumo sokuthi ubani ozoba ukapteni ulandela. But yena osekwaliphatha ibhande loRlando Pirates usekwadlala ngempela kamnandi ukapteni. Yabo masiza kuOlisanda. uOlisanda, to be honest, ngosikhathi ukuqokwa uInnocent Mayela, mina ngokwami I wanted uOlisanda to be the captain of Orlando Pirates. I wanted uOlisanda to be the captain of Orlando Pirates noma kububani uOfori, Richard Ofori. Mina ngikhumbula kahle ngalesa sikhathi uOfori wayedlala ngempela, goalkeeper sasimthemali zayikhathi kuze kuqokwa uInnocent Mayela. uInnocent Mayela for me didn't strike me as a leader engakwazi yabo ukuphatha Orlando Pirates like ucommander irespect, like ubengenayo leyo nto uInnocent Mayela. Angazi mangiyayenza any sense. Yabo, so I saw uRichard Ofori and I saw Olisanda and I was like, why benganikanga labadlali laba? Yabo, why bengabanikanga? But ke Orlando Pirates yayenza decision at that time because wakusathana kuhamba uHappy Jail efuna ukubula kahle. Yabo, so bayenza decision bamnikeza uInnocent Mayela. But ke right now nje bese hambile Olisanda. For me I think it's the right time for the guy to be captain Orlando Pirates. Yabo, I don't know, maybe mhlawumbe umunye umuntu angasho ukuthi ibhande liyamsinda unda. Yabo, phela ukusindwe ibhande akusiyona into esingayithatha lightly, into ejwayele ukwenzeka. Kunabadlali ofike badlale kahle mase benikezwe ibhande lokuba captain, umdlali simbone estrugglisha econdition leyo pressure leyo, because ukuba captain nako kuza nepressure. Yabo, kuza nepressure ngempela. But ke I see umjida ebo captain o right for iPirates. Yabo, for me I saw umjida ebo captain o right. Singiyesazi wangitshela ama comments about you, ungitshela ukuthi ngokwakho do you see unda eqokwa as ukapteni, because eqaleni kwale season uyena obukapteni weOrlando Pirates. yabo. Kumdlalo olandelayo ngizolandela ngoSibisi. uSibisi bafethu asikhulumeni nje iVAR. For me uyifavorite ukuthi aqokwe as ucaptain. Uyifavorite ukuthi aqokwe as ucaptain. Why ngisho njalo na? The reason why ngisho njalo uSibisi ukuthi abi favorite it's because uma usubheka kule season uyena obucaptain Orlando Pirates throughout the season. Ungangitsheli ngesathana kuqala season obviously benama injury kulama center backs abebo captain but ukwazi ukuyibamba iqine. Yabo, ukwazi ukuyibamba iqine, akwazi ukuyilead le team iOrlando Pirates. Yabo, akwazi futhi ukungenisa labafana bawo umbekizile Mbokazi, akwazi ukuba leader mfethu ba understand indlela ekudlalwa ngakhona lapha emuva. Yabo, ngiyamkhumbula umbekizile Mbokazi esho ukuthi uyena uzofika asheshe afunde lapha kweOrlando Pirates because khona insizwe njengoSibisi ezokwazi ukumfundisa kahle ingamncingi. Yabo, so for me uSibisi uyifavorite umjida. Mina ngikhumbula kahle we ucaptain vele kwiGolden Arrows. Yabo, we ucaptain vele kwiGolden Arrows, so unethuba eliningi lokuthi abe yicaptain yeOrlando Pirates. Indlela adlala ngakhona right now I'm sure ukuma nominees ama defender of the season. Yabo, ngokwami mina ube idefender edlale kahle le season. Yabo, ungangitshela wena kuma comments ngokwakho ukuthi ubani ongabu captain, but for me I see this guy enikeza labanye bajida inkinga ngempela mase kuqokwa ucaptain. Mhlamba ngabe uvice, yabo vice captain mekulimalo yedwa athatha ibhande, but for me I see him as the guy who deserve ibhande. Ngizovala ngobani ngoThapelo Gxoki. I feel like uThapelo Gxoki he is the main guy. He's the main favorite player to get ibhande lika captain. Yabo, either uyamthanda noma umthandi, but uThapelo Gxoki bafethu ileader le. Shaka Zulu ilidu Shaka Zulu bafethu ayikabi noma kuthi uyamthanda noma umthandi indlela adlala ngayo iyagculisa noma ayigculisi, but for me uThapelo Gxoki bafethu uyalideserve ibhande. Yabo, kushiye nje ukuthi udlala kanjani ukube eceleni uyalideserve ibhande umjida. Last season ukwazi ukusilead, na this season usengasilead. Ile season ezoqala usengasilead. Yabo, usengasilead empela umjida mfethu. Yabo, kuma honorable mentions bengingammentiona uMakhehleni Makhawula, maybe uMakhehleni Makhawula, but yeah naye bengingamnikeza because waye ucaptain vele kumaZulu. Mukhumbula kahle kumaZulu waye ucaptain, but ke vele uMakhehleni Makhawula uzohlala isizini yakhe yokugcina kwePirates. Njengoba uzodlala isizini yakhe yokugcina, I don't think iPirates izozama ukumnikeza ibhande for that season only. Yabo, so I think ngeke azabe khona kuyingxoxo zokuba ucaptain, but naye unawo ama qualities zokuba ucaptain. Yabo, uma uzobheka nje isquad seOrlando Pirates it is full of abadlali ababo ucaptain in their previous teams, even uMiguel team nje bezohamba nje. Yabo, naye ube ucaptain, so ischeme sethu vele sigcwele abantu abanaleyo leadership role. Yabo, abama leader yonke engiyithandayo, but ke kulabadlali ngokwakho ibapha abadlali abazoba ucaptain. Ngibuphi umdlalo ozoba ucaptain ngokwakho, but for me in these 4 players I see uXoki a favorite benoSibisi. Yabo, the other 2 I don't know angazi angifuqa